Mamerienda tayo guys ng hating gabi. Merienda ng hating gabi. Ayan, nagaya siya sa akin. Oh. Nainggit. Nainggit siya. Oo. Diba sa Pilipinas ganito tayo guys. O, ayan. Sarap. Okay guys, go to work na naman tayo. Good morning. Ay, hindi pala good morning. Good afternoon na. Ang kalat pa ng aking kabahayan. So, prepare na tayong papasok guys. See you later. Okay guys, papasok na tayo. Mainit sa labas. My goodness. Sorry naman. Tara na guys. Mainit. Okay guys, see you later ulit. Puro na lang see you later. Magbubok lang ako ng Grab guys. Okay, bye. Okay guys, waiting na lang tayo ng sasakyan natin guys. Kaya tayo guys. Waiting for my duty guys. Anong oras? 2:45. Magdadala kong pasyente. Antayin yung duty ko guys. Anong oras na ba? 2:45. Mag-market lang ako guys. Yeah, one more. I want to cook something. Ito yung the one na. Malbungal guys ah. Good job. This one no. I want this one, baby. This. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this one I want to eat tomorrow. This one you don't want? Cooling one. Chendol. Ayaw mo duwag. Masarap sana mag-chendol. Ha? Chendol, no? Green bean. This one what? Niluluto ba to? I like to eat this one, you know? Like I want to eat something. Okay lang, never mind on it. Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you. Ano ba yun? Bechin. Asan yung bechin? Can you hold for me? Where's the bechin? Oh, there pala. Can you take the MSG? MSG. MSG. Yeah. Okay. Kina na tayo mag. Oh, they got this one, no? The flat fish. What to call this one? Wait, you're talking. Never mind on it. Tomorrow I buy. Wala. Never mind now. You can eat it. But if can.
Okay.
No need. Ice cream na lang. Bili kami ng ice cream. First time nag-crave ng ice cream. Bili kami ng ice cream. Mental. Okay. Huh? Okay, you have already. What do you call this one?
Din the government. Everything they do. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Pamalingki. Namalingki kami guys. Charot. Put inside. Sabi niya. Taga ako lang pala magdadala. Pastos man tong atay na to. Ayan o, mabigat siya guys. Ice cream, bangos. May panggabihan na kami guys. Tapos na naman ang work. Pauwi na si Disney Princess. Ang Disney Princess nyo tapos ng trabaho o wala. You ask them na. You can call the men. Hi. Napagod ko magtrabaho guys. Ito yung OFW na mas maraming gala kaysa trabaho. Charot! Karating na ng bahay. Yeah. Mamirienda tayo guys ng hating gabi. Merienda ng hating gabi. Ayan, nagaya siya sa akin. No? Nainggit. Nainggit siya. Oo. Diba sa Pilipinas ganito tayo guys. O, ayan. Sarap.
Gusto ko silang murahin lahat.
Sarap naman. I want some more. I want some more. The strawberry.
I love you, pero tingnan nyo na. Paano naman ako?
The strawberry.
Alam niyo ba yung nilulunok ko sa trabaho? Para nung supportahan kayo?
Sarap.
Puta,
Uy.
graduate ako ng college.
Ay, kita panty ko.
Ano lang yung gating sa I want to be more.
Sarap.
Mali ba yun?
Oo nga, at least. Alam mo kung anong gusto mo eh. Kaya ako sa edad kong to, hindi ko